Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 2500W dual-fuel portable inverter generator impresses with its versatility and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for campers, tailgaters, and emergency backup power. One of the standout features is its dual-fuel capability, allowing users to choose between gasoline and propane. This flexibility not only enhances convenience but also offers increased fuel efficiency and longer runtime, which is especially beneficial during prolonged power outages or outdoor adventures. What sets this generator apart is its quiet operation. With a noise level of only 53 dBA at quarter load, it's comparable to a normal conversation, making it perfect for use in residential areas or while enjoying nature without disturbing the peace. The inverter technology ensures clean and stable power output, safe for sensitive electronics such as smartphones, laptops, and televisions, eliminating the risk of damage commonly associated with conventional generators. The generator boasts a peak output of 2,500 watts and a running wattage of 1,850 watts, providing enough power for essential appliances and devices. It features multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets and a 12V DC outlet, allowing for simultaneous use of multiple devices. The easy-to-read fuel gauge is another thoughtful inclusion, providing users with instant visibility of fuel levels to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Additionally, the generator is designed with portability in mind, weighing a mere 39 pounds and equipped with a comfortable handle. This makes transportation a breeze, whether you're loading it into a vehicle or moving it around your yard. Durability and safety are also paramount with this model. It has a built-in low-oil shutoff sensor, which protects the engine from damage and extends its lifespan. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 2500W dual-fuel portable inverter generator is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly option that seamlessly blends performance with convenience, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of portable power.